As I approach this beautiful garden, you'll see I have my sprinkler on. I am with a lot of the farmers, a lot of the small growers out there that believe if your plants are thirsty, put some water on it. It doesn't matter if it's 100 degrees, hot day, or 70 degrees. It's the same thing for you. When you're thirsty, you're not waiting for the sun to go down to go get a glass of water. No, you're gonna do it right away. And I'm trying to get this sprinkler to go the other direction so I don't get my camera all wet as I walk into the garden. But folks, today I did quite a few plantings after church. I planted all my peppers. I got jalapenos, I got about 20 of them here, and bell pepper down here. I even planted a group of lavender between the onions, cucumber trellis, and those lettuce heads. And because my wife loves lavender, we actually dedicated this entire box for lavender as well. Now they're still pretty young, as you can see. I put them all in the greenhouse as seeds back in January. So here we are with second week of March, and they're out here growing. The onions looking great. Arugula, unfortunately, I've let it go too long. So I'm just going to let it go to seed, and I'll have some fresh seed for that. I planted another half row of carrots, and actually not there. Yeah, it did. That's where I planted them, I think. Or was that last week? I don't remember. It was either there or that box on top. But either way, this is a catch up, and the water's getting ready to come back toward me. Oh, I love this. It's so beautiful. And then our mixed lettuces, which my wife and I keep saying we're going to have a salad. But you can see some of them are starting to bolt and get some flowers on top. Hey, bring the honeybees on, baby. I love it. But this is beautiful, folks. Thanks for tagging along with us. I'm going to do my best to inform you guys of everything we do. As very proud of just kind of turning a hobby into an actual business. The beets are looking beautiful, and of course I've got some big 10-15 onions growing down here as I do everything from seed. So those will take a few more months, but that's okay. I got plenty of green onions there at the top in the second bed, and then now I'm starting to run my seedlings on the opposite side. So I got about another 1,000 onions put in the ground for it. I run out of what I've already packed in the seeds. That's it, guys. How about I just run over here and let you say hello to our little chicklings. Hey, girls. These girls are, what are you guys, about 8 weeks old now? And so we had success with 6 of them. You guys are so precious. And they go in here every night. Good girls. And I, of course, use their hay, their manure for compost. We break that down at the other end. If I can recycle everything in this garden, I'm going to do my best to do just that. Heat of the day, gotta love it. It's happy Sunday to all of you guys. Obviously, we're a little late. Didn't do this yesterday because it was Pastor Jimmy Swaggart's 90th birthday, and we got to celebrate that today at church with them. And some of my favorites, Jensen Franklin. Oh my gosh, did I say that right? I think I did. Jensen is one of my favorite preachers, of course, next to Jimmy, Donnie, and Gabe. But we won't go into a sermon. You guys be blessed. Enjoy. We'll see you soon.